Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Thursday, and I didn't do much trades. Just a couple of options trades, and did a very short. Closed my trade on S&P futures, right? Because I hold it since yesterday to short it down, and after I went to sleep, it went even lower, right? So pretty good profits for that, and I just closed it for a decent profit, right? So didn't do any more day trading because today I actually have a training session about 2 hours with my full-time traders program students. So I use the time to actually use the live market to teach them some advanced techniques, right? Okay. So after that, then we saw a trade, but it already moved, so we decided to let it go, and so decided to wrap up early, right, today, right, and it's near the weekend anyway. So this week so far is looking pretty good, right, even though market is going down, right? Okay, so let's jump right in and take a look. Okay, so we are back on my screen right now, right? You can see over here, I realized a profit of $195 for MES trade, right? Okay, it was brought overnight since yesterday. If you're not sure why, then you can actually watch my video that was posted based on yesterday's trading, right? Okay, so just a quick one. I was here, right? I was here, and I traded it down. Then when I wrap up based on yesterday's update, I was deciding whether to hold it or close it before I sleep. So I decided to hold it, and after that I went to sleep, right? Okay, and you can see over here, this was 3 to 7 a.m. In fact, most part of it was moving from 3 to 5 a.m. right after I went to sleep, and it went quite a bit down, right? But by the time I wake up, it retraced back up a little bit, so I closed the trade, right? Okay, so it's a pretty good profit, right? And I just did a CL trade, right? Okay, based on the 4 hour, you can see there's a trigger here, and because using our profit signal, you can even tell us where is the stop loss, entry price, and take profit, like what you see here, right? Okay, so I took that trade, right? And now it's still ongoing. I think this will most likely be holding for 1 day, right? Okay, and tomorrow I'll see how it goes. Either you hit my stop loss or you just go higher and I will take profit, right? Okay, and even if it's a stop loss, it won't be a big loss. It's just a small loss. So it's pretty okay with me. You can see over here, crude oil micro futures traded, right? A small position, not too big. In fact, if it goes down a little bit, I might go in one more contract, right? My stop loss is here, like what you see here, which is totally fine, right? And based on that, I'm in a slight running profit, paper profit of $15-16, right? You can see over here unrealized profit of $16, $17. Realized profit was from yesterday trade that I closed today for micro S&P index futures, right? Okay, so didn't do much. In fact, I have a list of day trade stocks of about 3 of them here to trade, right? And but by the time I finish my training, 2 hours training with my full-time traders program students, right? We saw this trade actually. We saw this trade, but we were by the time we saw this, it was somewhere here already. So it has already moved, right? So but the entry price it should be 337.31 thereabout, right? But after it moved like $1 plus, right? For day trading is considered quite a lot, right? Especially for this stock. So we decided not to take the trade because our stop loss is somewhere here, right? Risk to reward is not so good. So and a lot of times day trading, if the trade has already moved, we try not to chase, right? Number one reason is because of the risk to reward. It will not be good for us in the long run if we keep doing it. Like, even though you can see that it goes higher, right? But in the long run, if you keep doing it, right, it may be more it may be more disadvantage to you in your trading in terms of the results than not, right? Okay, so it's better to like, okay, stick to good risk to reward, entry is good, then we go in, right? Okay, so we decided, okay, never mind, we wait for the next one, right? Okay, but pretty much we wanted to buy NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA, but it went higher, gap up, so we skip that, right? Actually right now there is pretty much a setup for us to trade it up, right? Okay, so maybe after I end, maybe I will just do this trade, and we wanted to sell Boeing down, and market open higher and started keep on coming down. Like I say, we were having a training, so we didn't look at this. Like I say, by the time we finished our training, it was somewhere around here already, right? Somewhere around here, it has already moved. So decided to take a trade on the crude oil, right? Right now it's still quite okay. Not much profit and loss because it's around at the entry price that we went in also. This one we will see tomorrow, right? See how the trade works out, and I'll update you again, right? So like I say, today is pretty light, nothing much happening. I did do a couple of option trades, right? Option trades over here, especially on the QQQ, right? Call options, right? To sell it, right? Thinking, I think there may be some selling pressure coming in soon, right? So I decided to do it, and I actually did the crude oil trade here, so I decided to close it and bring it over to my the other account that you saw just now, right? Okay, pretty much that is the case, and realized a $37 loss, which is okay, right? It's already brought over to this account, right? Which is already recouping back about $20, right? Okay, so there about roughly still about break even, right? And tomorrow we will see whether overall it will make me a profit or not, right? Okay, keep our fingers crossed. So that's all from me, and just in case you are wondering, Thomas, this is quite a good thing. You have an indicator that triggers and telling you to buy over here and tell you where is the stop loss, where is entry price, all those. I actually share more about this so-called software indicator in my free online workshop, which you can actually register to attend to learn more about my strategy and learn more about how to use this indicator software for your own trading in the future. So if you are interested, click on the link around this video to register, and I'll hope to see you at my live online free workshop soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.